All right, so here's your little atlas. And you're gonna, there it goes. Shlomo. All right, let's do this neck stretch now. Good, so I'm rubbing up and down here, and into the traps. Oh, there you go. That's nice. A good release. That's gonna feel nice for you when you're swinging your tail around. And I'm gonna lift and, ooh, good one.
I got you, Bubba.
Ooh, did you hear that one? That was
Yeah.
even louder. All right, Shlomo, I think we're done. Let me just rub your neck out a little bit more. You're a good guy. All right, love Shlomo. See you soon, okay?
Yes.
Thanks, everybody.